Namaskar. Welcome to MOHUA'S kitchen. I'm MOHUA again in front of you. My lovely viewers, if you have not yet subscribed my channel, please do subscribe. Press the bell icon beside the subscribe button. Like and don't forget to share with your friends. My today's recipe is how to make the spring roll sheet at home easily. So I have taken here around about 4 tablespoons of maida or all-purpose flour, and into it I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of cornstarch or corn flour. I'm going to add salt according to taste and 2 tablespoons of oil, white oil, and mix it properly. At this stage you need to mix the oil and the dry ingredients properly, and now add water gradually so that there is no lumps. It should not form any lumps, and we need here a runny consistency of batter. So we need to add more water and add the water gradually, and see, we need this type of consistency, runny consistency. Now we heat a pan, and into it we'll drizzle some oil into it and wipe it out with a tissue or a kitchen towel so that there is no oil remain. And now heat the pan properly and slowly pour the batter into the pan, and when the sides come out, that means it has been done. So now flip it over a plate where we have dusted some corn flour into it, and now I will just dust some corn flour into each of the sheets so that it does not stick to each other, and apply here generous amount of corn flour into each of the sheets. And I'm making another one. It's a very easy one, and you can make it very easily. In just 2 minutes it takes hardly to make the sheets. You can store this sheet into the freezer. Before that, just wrap it in a plastic wrapper and store it in the freezer for about 10 to 15 days and reuse it. So now I'm making the stuffings here. For this I have added some oil. Into it I have added some chopped onions, some garlic. I'll saute it with some green chilies. I will saute it till the raw smell of the garlic and the onion goes away. And I have marinated the chicken pieces with some turmeric and salt, and now I'm adding this into it. Mix it well, and after the chicken is boiled I will add the juliennes of capsicum. Mix it well, and then I will add 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce into it, and add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Remember, I have added salt into the chicken pieces, so be careful while adding the soy sauce because it's contain salt too, and pepper. Mix it well, and I have added here some chopped spring onions. If you have, you can add. Otherwise you can skip it, it is optional. And to bind the chicken pieces, I have added here, I have made the celery out of corn flour and water, and I'll add here to thicken the chicken. And now cool it down before you stuff it into the roll sheets. I have taken here round about 2 tablespoons of maida or flour. Into it I'm going to add some water and make a thick paste. This will be needed while we roll the sheets. Remember, we can use these sheets as samosa patty too. See, it's very thin, and see how I made the sheets. My lovely viewers, you can follow me now on the social media. The link is in the description box. And see, my sheets has been ready here, and it's so thin and absolutely perfect for our spring rolls. Now I will show how I made the spring rolls. So I have stuffed the chicken pieces here, and I will fold it by applying the thick paste which we made with maida or flour to stick it properly. And see, and the sides of the sheet, now we are going to fold it. I request my viewers, please do subscribe my channel so that I can get motivated by your subscription, and please do comment on my comment section, and this will help me to bring some easy recipes so that you can make at home easily rather than buying from the market. So see, I have folded the sides and I have stick the sides with the flour mixture, and now slowly roll it. You can use this sheet as patty for your patty or samosa or for your momo too. One more tips, while making the sheets, always remember, when you have applied the oil into the flour and the corn flour mixture, always mix it properly, and this will make the sheet crispy while you fry it. Take equal amount of corn flour and maida. By the meantime, my sheets has been ready. I have heated a pan with some oil for frying, and see, one has been done and rest are frying. So enjoy this recipe and let me know in the comment section how did you like it, and please do try it. It's very easy one. If I can make, anybody can cook. So please do try this and let me know in the comment section. Stay tuned for my next video.